Hey everyone, welcome to the next part of Variables 2.1. We're going to be working with floating point numbers. First, let's start off with some basic issues. Do A equals 5 and do B equals 7. And we'll do print A plus B, save it, and run it in the Atom editor. Everything looks fine from there. We'll switch over, going to open up prompts. So we'll start with A equals and just type in raw input, and I'll show you what's going to happen with this. Put the first number here, and then we'll do this one with B, the second number here. Alright, then we're going to do print A plus B, and we're going to do another raw input so you can see what's going on instead of it just flashing. Alright, go here, since this one is labeled prompt.py, we're going to go over here and double click it. Alright, for the first number here, 5, second number is 3. Now, you see, instead of adding them together, like, let's see, the first one was 5 plus 7, which is 12, but in the Python prompt, it did 5 and 3. Now, an easy way to fix this would be to go ahead and put float each of these, save it, and then run the prompt. So I'll just do 60 plus 20, which will be 80. And another good thing about this is that it'll add decimal numbers. So 3.43 plus 32.8 is 67.1. So you see there's no problem with that right there. So we'll go on to the next part, the word problem 2.0, and we will create a prompt so that the user will be able to enter the kilograms, the years, and also the percentage. So we'll get back to there in a minute. Hey everyone, welcome back to Variables 2.2. We just went over floating point in 2.1, and we're gonna make our old program in 2.0 word problem. We're gonna make it into a prompt. So we'll be working with variables and strings. So let's get started. So for the kgs, we can't use a number. We're going to have somebody input the number for us. And we're going to put kgs here. And then also going to do the same thing with percent. So next one is years. We'll do, let's put percent right here, and then years. So now with this, instead of being numbers, it's a string, and we're gonna have to convert the information that they put in as a string into a float. So we can do that by, let's see, we'll convert the years because it's right there. So we'll just do float years, and then we will work with kilograms for the float also, since it's up there. And then we'll do, on the very last part of it, we want it to stay open. So we'll just put raw input at the bottom and then just leave it empty. And we're also going to have to convert the percent to make it easier, so someone can just put 2 instead of putting it 2 this way as in representing 2. So we can do that by, let's see, converted percent is going to be equal to 0.01 with the negative in front times percent. Okay. So with this, we're going to have to convert this also to a float. Because take the percent, convert that straight right there. Okay. So now we have this part. And let's go ahead and see if it'll run. Okay. KG's here, 80%, 2 years would be 30. Alright, so we have this negative 0.02 representing the percent that it was converted to, and then 43.904 continue. Let's clean it up just a little bit, because we just have numbers right now. So we'll do this. Let's see. Converted percent is, throw that right there. Percent, there we go. And let's just go ahead and highlight this, and just remember to put total under this portion right here. Okay. The total. Listen. Alright, so here we'll put the amount of radioactive material. That will remain is, and then percent S and kilograms. So let's go ahead and run it in the prompt. Kilograms here, just take 2 years, no problem. 2% here after 30 years. The amount of radioactive material remaining is 4.3943 kilograms, and the converted percent is negative 0.2. So that's it. For the next one, we will be working with log, and we're going to create a program that will solve algebra word problems. See you soon.